Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Ryan with Launch the Journey. In today's video, I'm going to break down my profits for today. We're up 2.5% on the day. It's December the 27th, 2018, a couple days after Christmas. And I actually played natural gas again. So this was my best trade for the day. We had a breakout, had a consolidation area, a long consolidation area right here. And then it had a big 1 minute pop here. And actually, let's zoom in here. So actually at this 1 minute pop here, I was actually figuring it to go DGAS way. So actually at this pop here, on this 1 minute, I was actually in DGAS and I exited DGAS. And then, let's see, it popped, I made a $50 profit. So I lost a little bit on DGAS here. And then it popped up, I locked in a $50 profit on UGAS here. And then I didn't enter again until I was watching it come down here. I was still watching it because it was just so volatile. I didn't really understand it. And then we consolidated up here and we made a new high and we had a breakout. So on this pullback here, I got in. So I was pretty much even on the day with a couple trades at this point. And I got in on this pullback on this breakout here. And I got in on this pullback and I scalped a little bit over 2.5% on the day. So I'll head on over here and show you my profits on the day. That was my trade. So let's pop over here. All right, so all right, so this is my profits for today. It was $109.90 on a $4,000 account. I've actually got $2,000 more dollars coming into this account. It's a new broker that I'm trying out, and so far I like it. I'm going to try it out for a few more days, and I will post a video on my thoughts and reviews on it. But for the first day, it's green. It's $109.90, and yeah, it was a great day. So we're a few days away from New Year's. I hope everybody had a great Christmas. If this is the first time you've ever been to the channel, we do a lot on stock market, day trading, teaching people pattern recognition, and things to do with the stock market, ETFs, stocks. We got IPOs, which is initial public offerings for new companies coming into the stock market. We got momentum. I don't do a whole lot of that stuff, but I do know about it. I do know how to scan for them and those types of things. So I'm going to be doing an education video next. I'm probably going to do that tomorrow about continuing your education in the financial markets and the stock market, and I'll probably post it tomorrow. Okay. All right. So I want to end the video there, guys. If you haven't had a chance, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification. Give me a like if you enjoyed the video. And if you got any questions, just interact with me down there in the comments, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care.